Hello nice people, welcome back to a new video. In this video I am going to show how to enable compare and how does it work. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on Classima listing and click on settings. Go to the very first tab, general tab, and click on it. Then scroll down. Then you can see enable compare. So click and check this box. Then scroll down and save changes. Now let's check how does it work. So go to the website front end and all ads page or listing page. Then hover over on it and then you can see this is the compare icon is showing. So click on it. This one, then this one. Already I added 3 listing, then try to add another one. You can see you cannot add more than 3. That is why compare limit is 3. So I want to increase more. I want to give here like 5. Scroll down and save changes. Then again refresh the pages. 3, and then I want to add this one and this one. It's work fine. So click on compare. You can see the compare is working perfectly. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more video like this.